Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make histogram in Excel. So if you want to make a histogram graph in Excel, so what you have to do, first of all you have to click on this insert. Okay, when you click on this insert, first of all you have to select the column which you want to represent on the histogram, and now you have to click on insert. Okay, now go to this option and click on it. Here you will see histogram option, just click on it. Now you can customize it. So first of all I am going to customize that the difference is big. Okay, 15 to 57 marks students are here, and 57 to 99. Now I have to, first of all, what you have to do, first of all I am going to customize this gap. Okay, so now click on right click on any of this line. Okay, and here you will see format that data series, just click on it. So when you click on it, here you will see bins option, here you will see auto. Now you have to click on bin width. Okay, now here you will see the difference is 42. Okay, now you can just write 10. Okay, so you will see that 15 to 25 marks are here, marks students are here representation. And you can also do one thing, here just click on this line, and here you will see 8 data labels, just click on it. Now here you can find that 51 to 25 marks students are two students that got between 15 to 25, and 25 to 35 is one student got in between 25 to 35. Like this you will see 35 to 45 is students have, are zero student got in between 35 to 45. So like this you can see that you can also move the chart wherever you want. You can increase the size and you can also decrease the size. Okay, like this you can customize it. And so like this you can do a histogram, create a histogram in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.